Welcome to our snow cone shop, everyone!
Freshly shaved snow, just for you! What flavor would you like today? I can't wait for my snow cone!
Here you go, enjoy!
This is the best snow cone ever!
I'd like the biggest snow cone you have. Coming right up!
This is amazing!
So,
Wow, we sold out already! I know, wasn't that stupendous?
let's see how much we made.
We can use this to help all our friends.
Wow! Wow, look at all that money! 1, 2, 3. We did it! They're so happy! Another great day! That was so much fun! Home sweet home! What a perfect day! This year, the biggest tree ever!
Almost there. Almost there.
Time to make this tree sparkle! Time to make this tree sparkle!
Perfect!
Ring-a-ling. Wow!
Now for the secret ingredient.
Almost perfect! Everything has to be perfect! Come in! Happy holidays! Welcome, everyone! I win! Best holidays ever!
Another beautiful day! Time to get these veggies ready for the market! Almost ready!
Fresh greens for everyone.
Here you go! The best carrots in town! These look perfect! Almost done. Delicious. Ah. Enjoy these seeds.
Ooh, I love this part. Get him! Get him! Look, he's got the banana. Good night, everyone. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Let's plant a flower garden, Lily.
This soil is tough, but I'll get it done. Now for the magic to happen. Let's give them lots of water. Woohoo! Look at that! It's like magic!
Oh, the colors are lovely. Look at all these colors, Lily. It's amazing out here. We should definitely play.
It is beautiful, Buddy. The flowers smell. Look at our amazing garden, Lily. It's perfect.
It really is, buddy. All our hard work paid off.
Let's get everything ready. Just a little more. Just a little more. I love mixing. It's so sticky. Almost there.
Look, stars and hearts.
Perfect! In they go!
They'll be ready soon. They smell delicious. I can't believe we finally finished baking all these cookies. They look amazing. I'm going to eat the star one first. They certainly do. These are the best cookies ever. These are delicious. Thank you. We did it.
It's so beautiful, Buddy. Isn't this the best garden ever, Lily?
It truly is, buddy. So peaceful. I've got a great idea. Time to get to work. This is harder than it looks. Grow, little seeds, grow. Here you go, little ones. We did it! They're perfect! Time to gather the harvest.
Gotta make sure they're all safe for the journey. Almost there.
Wow! Wow! Look at all the people!
Time to make a good impression. Hello! Welcome to my stall.
Really? Mekotli? Now, that will be 2 coins, please. Oh dear, almost out of carrots. Time to head home.
What a successful day!
What should I plant next?
Back to work! Life is good on the farm.
Harvesting is so much fun! I found the perfect pumpkin for the... Okay, come on off there. Gotcha! Oh, this one smells yummy! Woo! That's the last one! All done! Ooh, these grapes look yummy! Gotta make sure they're super clean. Do not use sharp knives or sharp objects. Finest harvest in the whole forest. Bet you've never seen so much jam. Is it ready?
It sure is! Right this way! Smells delicious!
I made jam. Come and try it. This is the best honey cake I've ever tasted, Bernard.
I'm glad you like it, Pip. I used my grandmother's recipe.
It's amazing. This is the best jam I've ever tasted. It's so sweet and yummy.
This is the best jam in the whole meadow, Bear.
It's very sweet.
Oh, enjoy it, friends. There's plenty more.
And then I said, that's not a pastry, that's my cousin Barry.
Oh, you are too funny, Harvest.
He certainly is, Pip. Best stories in the forest.
This is the coziest night ever, Bear. And these cookies smell amazing.
Wow, look at all this jam. We finally did it. Lily, I'm so glad we're finally having our picnic. And I brought the flour. It's perfect for baking. Careful now, Coco. Don't spill it. Careful now, Coco. Don't spill it. This takes a lot of monkey power.
ready to light it. Lily, these are gonna be the best ever. Careful not to burn them. They look amazing, Lily. I can almost taste the chocolate.
Just a little longer, Coco. They're almost perfect.
Wow, look at these, Lily. Perfectly golden brown, just like us.
They look absolutely delicious, Coco. I can't wait to try one.
They look perfect. They look so cute. Wow, that looks so good, Lily. Pour mine next.
Okay, Coco, here you go. It's nice and cold. Wow, that milk looks super yummy. Want to trade for my cookie?
Oh, really? Sure, I love cookies, Coco.
These are delicious.
The milk is so refreshing.
Want to try it this way?
Wow, that's even better.
I can't believe we ate the whole pie.
Oh dear, it was delicious though. My tummy hurts from laughing. That was the best lunch ever.
It really was. I'm so full. Isn't this the perfect spot, Lily? These berries are amazing.
It truly is, Coco. I'm so glad we came out today. Goodbye, Lily.